This is the HyperX ChargePlay Clutch for the Nintendo Switch. I'm Josh Smith with GoDaddyMobile.com. I want to show you this cool battery charger and grip for the Nintendo Switch. It's $59.99. It has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery tucked in the back so you can charge up your Nintendo Switch. It's also more ergonomic. Check out these grips on the back here. See how this bends out? You get a really good grip on both hands while you're using this. And while this does add some weight, because of that battery that's back here, it feels very well balanced, so it's very well distributed. It's right there in the center, and it doesn't add too much that I feel like I'd get tired of holding this. You can get about 5 to 6 more hours of gameplay using this, and there's some other cool things that are built into this. One of those is a kickstand here on the back, so you can use that if you decide to watch a movie or something. But you can also pull these all off and get a little controller that you can use when your Nintendo's in tabletop mode. So take both of your JoyCons off, just like normal. Then you lift up this little flip here, pull this off. We'll do the same over here, pull this one off. We already have our kickstand, so we can set this down here. Now that's ready for tabletop mode. And then we take these and we're gonna flip these back up. These magnetically mount together, and look at that. We have a place to put our JoyCons in here. And so now if I'm going to play in tabletop mode, I can use this and play a game on my Switch without the need to haul another accessory around. And it's just really nice. It's a really ergonomic way to hold on to these. I still have full access to all my buttons and controls without the need for another accessory. I could see using this on a trip like this where I'm at CES, or even on an airplane where I put my Switch at the back edge of that tray table, and then I'm able to play like this without holding the Switch for the entire flight. Something to be really cool for longer flights. This is available right now for $59.99. You can check out links down in the description below. It's over to HyperX where you can learn more about it, as well as some links to pick this up. If you're looking for a way to make your Switch last longer and have it be a little bit more ergonomic, this is probably one of the best ways that you can spend $60 right now.